What is happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe and healthy. Let's begin. I got some exciting news. I got actually two boxes here on the side that you cannot see. I've got here this one, this lens right here, a macro lens, the Sigma 70mm f2.8 DG macro with the filter size of 49mm. This is an art lens. As always, it comes in a nice white and black Sigma box, looking very minimalistic. Some papers, put that to the side. This is all in, I'm not even sure, is it Japanese or Chinese? Let me know in the comment section down below. I think it's Japanese because this is a Japanese company, right? Sigma. Art lenses come always in a little pouch. And this is not a little pouch, guys. This is actually quite a big pouch. Ooh. Ooh. Always, doesn't matter how many times I do an unboxing, the first impression is always like, ooh, you know, it gives a little bit of a special feeling. You know what I mean? There it is. Dun, dun, dun. And the reason for me getting into macro photography is because, you know, here in the Netherlands we got this lockdown, we got this night curfew. I'm not even sure how to pronounce it anymore. Ooh, fingerprints all over the place, very quickly. But you know, you have to stay indoors quite more, and even at night and stuff. So I thought to myself, it would be a great way to like dive into macro photography again. And I did review the 90mm from Sony, which is, by the way, a really good lens. And also the 50mm, which is actually a nice, like, beginners friendly macro photography lens. Maybe this one will be better than the 50mm from Sony. And right away, how it looks and how it feels in the hand, it really looks special. That like shiny black. We got the little buttons on the side, autofocus, manual focus switch, and this is the focus distance switch. So we got the full distance, then more up close. It really depends on what you need and how fast you want to have it autofocus. Usually for macro photography, how I experience it is that I use a lot of manual focus. The manual focus ring, very nice and sturdy. Oh, look at this. A lot of space in there. Let's put the lens hood on it. Oh, here it is. Looking pretty sweet. Nice little weather sealing gasket. It looks very sweet, guys. I really like how it looks. It's been a while since I've been so impressed with the looks of a lens. Looks really clean. So let's switch things up. I'm gonna show you how it looks when you do video. So let's switch it now. The camera is all the way to the back because 70mm, you know, it's a little bit up close, but I think this looks pretty cool, pretty nice. 70mm camera to the back. Let's see if it can do any autofocus. I'm not even sure if I'm recording right now. Yes, I am recording right now. Oh man, here it is. Autofocus test number 1. I don't know. Let's do it like this, maybe a bigger box. Does it autofocus on the box? I don't really know right now. I don't know, man. I want to take some photos as well, so you will see it right now. These will be my first photos using this 70mm f2.8 macro lens from Sigma. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this lens. Do you maybe have this lens? If you got some tips, or do you have your Instagram account that you want to share with me? Like, show me the photos, show me your art, and I will be very happy to check that out, you know? So, that's it for today's video. Short, quick, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review in a couple of weeks, I think 3 weeks or so. And then we'll come back with the full review and what I think about it, and should I recommend this lens, yes or no, right? See you in the next one. As always, stay safe and stay healthy.